Introducing the REVEAL Diamond Detector, your ultimate all-in-one solution for distinguishing between natural, HPHT, and CVD laboratory diamonds. In just 2 minutes, we'll show you how to unlock the power of this amazing device. The REVEAL Diamond Detector comes with a handy tray where you can place your diamonds and jewelry items. Simply insert your items into the tray and you're ready to go. REVEAL is incredibly versatile. You can connect it to up to 2 monitors, whether it's a big television in your store or any other compatible display. No additional gadgets required. Our device boasts a user-friendly interface that everyone can use. Just tap Static Analysis to begin. Now, you'll see a live camera view with our high-resolution 16-megapixel camera. Tap Autofocus to get a clear picture. For the best results, make sure your items are at the same height. You have 2 analysis modes: Quick Analysis and Detailed Analysis. Quick Analysis takes only 15 seconds, while Detailed Analysis takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Here are the results. We use fluorescence and phosphorescence technology to distinguish the stones. Blue indicates natural diamonds, red means HPHT laboratory origin, and other colors like pink, green, orange, yellow, or gray represent CVD diamonds. Remember, if you see any color other than blue, your diamond may not be from a natural source. Red indicates an HPHT diamond. Here, you can see the daylight picture of your items inside the machine, along with the fluorescence and phosphorescence images. Fluorescence is visible under UV lamps, while phosphorescence is the residual glow some stones exhibit even after the light is turned off. As you can see, the device's results align perfectly with what you observe. HPHT diamonds and some CVD diamonds exhibit phosphorescence, and our machine identifies them flawlessly. That's it. In just 2 minutes, you've learned how to use the REVEAL Diamond Detector to confidently distinguish between natural HPHT and CVD diamonds. Say goodbye to uncertainty and hello to precision in the world of diamonds. Get your REVEAL Diamond Detector today and make informed choices that shine bright.